Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Davis. Uh, I decided that I will just record what I do every day. So I buy, fix and sell cars, but sometimes I fix people's cars. So this Mini Cooper had a radiator leak. I had to inspect first and that, but I already removed it. The client went to buy and came with an incorrect part, and he went again and swapped it. So now we came with the correct part. I used to fix without taking deposits. Issues arise when I'm done fixing the car, and then I can't keep people's cars here. Not stories, but excuses. And I will just release the car without payment. Now it's becoming a problem. Cars are moving on the street now. They haven't been paid yet. So I decided I will no longer carry costs of parts. So client must buy it by himself. And I'm gonna start taking deposits now. I, I was not doing that for the past 4 years, but I don't know. I have to run a business. So I'm just gonna replace put back the radiator here and see if there's any leaks and bleed. Stay tuned and please consider subscribing so that the channel may grow. I'm not a good presenter, so please bear with me. I'll get used to it. To be in front of the camera daily, 5 times a week. There's too much oil here, so I don't know if I have to wash it, see where it's leaking, or I will be creating extra job for myself. The client brought the car for the radiator leak, but I already told him, he was also here. He saw the leaks here, but he said, no, let's sort one thing at a time. But I'm curious, just to clean it, check where the oil. Oh, okay. I see the filter is here, so a lot of oil is around the filter. Maybe the filter is not tight, so I'll check, but I won't wash it so that the day he decides to service the car, bring the car in for service, then I'll do a proper check. But I'll see if this filter is tight. Yeah. I need to go look for this part, this clamp, and this pipe. Yeah, I don't know I don't know what they were doing here. This is silicone, but I know it might not be expensive. This is BMW, so yeah, I'm gonna go to my closest Golvache. It's just nearby. I'm going to use my Toyota test. This is the car that I'm driving around, collecting parts and doing deliveries and all. I'm gonna try start it up, get it to temperature, top up, close the reservoir lid, then bleed the air. Okay, but I want you to see something.
Driving dreams rolling out the door. Dave's Motors, we give you more. From city streets to open roads, find your ride, let the journey unfold. Start your engine, feel alive. With Dave's Motors, we help you drive. Quality ride, service true. The perfect car is waiting for you.